Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, September 24th. We're going to quickly talk about Bitcoin for today. A lot has been happening this week, and a lot is going to be definitely happening in the upcoming days here. Just to keep it short, it looks like our $1,000 region did not really hold. Especially in the beginning of September here, we had a big drop as soon as we tried to retest the $11,000 region. And we did find our support at the 10K region, especially with the clear wicks here. The bulls rejected any price lower than the $10,000 one. We move up and try to retest our $11,000 new resistance line. That didn't really hold. Now we broke down. We tried to stay above the $10,500 region, and not until yesterday that we had a bit of we broke below it. So yeah, it looks like the 11K support did not hold, and it looks like we're on the way right now to retest the $10,000 region for support, which will coincide with our 180-day EMA. So we will definitely see some sort of support around this region right now, especially with the RSI showing us lower highs. So we will be expecting a continuation of this downtrend, at least to the 10K region. And if it holds or not, then we're looking. We just need to keep a close eye out and see what's going to happen around that time. If we go to smaller time frames, to the 4-hour region, looks like, yes, we are retesting the 10,500 region, and this is our new resistance line now. So it doesn't look like it will hold just because of the general downtrend of Bitcoin right now. Also, if we, let me just pull out my short-term EMAs here. It just looks like we're just fully below all of our EMAs now, which will definitely also add to the resistance around this region. And yeah, just confirming the bit of pullback up here. The RSI is just kind of leveling off, so it will give us some sort of gas to go back up here and retest, but it's we're not sure if it's gonna hold just for the most part. So we just need to keep an eye out on it at that region. So just in general, we're definitely in a downtrend for the short term. The 10K region is definitely getting retested for strength pretty soon, and for the most part, the trend is in favor of shorting now. So we might be looking around, I would say something around 4.5% if it pierces through and just plays around. So we're looking at something around the 5% mark. So in general, expect some volatility, and if you do end up entering the short, make sure your stop losses are at the right place. Make sure you have your plan. You know exactly where you're exiting or taking profits, and stick to your plan for the most part. So even besides that, just something additional, just something to keep in mind with Bitcoin futures contracts expiring on Friday. So, and that will definitely have a reaction in the market. We don't know if it's going to be more of a positive reaction or a negative reaction, but it's just something to keep in mind when you enter a long position or a short position. So just keep that in mind, and just like I said, make sure your stop loss is there to protect your money, protect your capital, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for today. If you like the content, please comment, like, or subscribe, and we'll see you soon.